Got the pit bike in here in the garage. I cleaned it up a little bit. Still got a little dirt on it. She's looking pretty good. Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I posted, but got some new parts for the pit bike. Going to try out this new shock. Check this out. Made by Piranha. It's a pretty sweet looking shock. Got the adjuster there. It's got the cool over top adjuster up top. I think it's going to be a good upgrade for the old pit bike. I'm going to get in here and see if I can't get it tore down a little bit and get this shock on there. See what it does. Alright guys, I know it's been a while. I'm going to try to put this shock on. Then take your plastics off and your seat off. Get to it. And when you get in there, you can see all the dirt, mist, cleaning it. Alright, I have to take the bolt out of the top and the bottom, and the shock should pull out. Probably need to get a jack underneath it, just in case. Of course, it would work better if we had a stand to put it on, but everything's over at Etard's place. I just had some free time. We're working on getting a new studio / garage together where we can do more how-to tutorial type stuff on the pit bikes. I've also got a new chain tensioner to put on here, because the one on the left hand side over there is broke. You can't adjust it any, and whenever you put the new shock on there, it raises it a ½ inch. And that'll make my chain super tight. Too much torque, snap the ratchet. Can't help it. Can't turn this off. These bolts probably hadn't been out since it was built in 2007. So they're going to be tight. Any of these bolts that go through a bushing top, through the shock or the swing arm, anything, I like to put a little grease on and then Loctite on the threads just to help with movement and to keep that bolt from backing off. Ordered this shock from T-Bolt. They got a really good website. Really good customer service too. Because I wasn't sure if it would fit or how much it would raise it. And they got right back with me. Got me exactly what I needed. And sent it out that day. It was here super fast. And I want the clutch kit, but everywhere I've checked is sold out. T-Bolt said there's probably going to be some in about 3 weeks. There's the old shop. Let's compare it to this new one. You can see the spring is a lot better, a lot stronger, a lot thicker, a lot more adjustment on this, and it is about 1/2 inch to 1 inch longer, so I should get a little more lift and a lot more stiffness out of this. See if it'll go up in there. Alright. Yeah, this chain is super short. I think I took one too many links out of it. But I'm still, it's right in the middle of the adjustment, so I can adjust it down. You can see here, I can pick that tank up just enough to get that socket on there, tighten that nut down. Alright, she's on. Matches the plastics. See what it feels like. Factory set, however it came shipped. Oh yeah. So much better. Put the plastics back on it. Still want to get a few more things for this bike. After the 143 kit goes on, and I test ride it after that, I may go with the race head. I doubt it. It's too expensive. I was told with the 143 kit, aftermarket exhaust with the factory carb, it'll run around 60 miles an hour. Whether or not that's true, I can't tell you yet. yet. She's back together. T-Bolt USA. That's their website, tboltusa.com. Awesome guys to deal with. Check them out for sure. Alright, we're probably going to fire it up and see if she handles any better. I can tell it feels a lot taller. It's only a 1/2 inch, but it feels like more than a 1/2 inch. Yeah, guys, she's a lot better in the rear. Still needs some attention on the front. I have to adjust it a little. As you can see, if it's not too dark, you can get right up in there to that adjuster and click away. I like it. It's got dirty out there. It's been raining for days. Alright guys. It's a short video. It's a quick video. I'm in between calls right now. Just thought I'd give y'all a little shot at what's going on. We got big things coming, like everybody always says, but we do. We got a probably a 10 by 15, 10 by 20 shop coming up over at Etard's compound. It's right beside the practice track that we're building, so we got to run some lights out there. Probably take y'all over there later today or tomorrow and vlog on the progress that we're doing. So yeah, we're gonna have a work table set up. We're gonna try to get into more how-to. We're probably gonna do the 143 kit on this bike, and I know we'll be doing a rear shock on his bike, because as soon as he sets on this bike, he's gonna fall in love with it. So yeah, I'll take you over there, let y'all see the progress on the new shop. It's nothing fancy, but it's pretty nice. It's in the dry, it's got heat, it's got air conditioning. So stay tuned for that. If you're new to the channel, just subscribe, hit that little bell button, it'll send you a notification whenever I post a video. We're gonna try to get back on the schedule and at least once a week put up a video. Maybe get back to 2-wheel Tuesdays and Bubsification Sundays with Hunter, because that boy's getting good. He really impressed me on the last ride we went on the handling of his motorcycle. He's really getting down on it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like the video, comment on the video. Let me know if you want to see more how-to videos, because that's our plans. Plus we're going to throw in some rides too. We're not going to get away from riding, because that's what we do. So y'all be safe out there.